Hello everyone, I am Dr. R.C. Valoria and today we are going to discuss what is the correct time of getting COVID testing done for a patient. As the weather is changing, so are the complaints of cold, cough and fever also increasing in general public, which are making them to panic whether they have got COVID infection and do they need to get COVID testing done. So basically we have to remember three things when we consider COVID testing. Number one, the person has to be symptomatic and mostly the first symptom to occur is fever. Then they have to think about the risk factors associated with themselves. There are three risk factors which need to be associated while considering COVID testing. They are, number one is if you have traveled in last 14 days, whether it is an international travel or national travel, it is especially from an hotspot area. Number two is if you have a contact with a laboratory confirmed positive case, and you cannot be a contact of a positive case just by passing by him. You need to have a contact of less than 6 feet distance and a time period of more than 5 minutes with the laboratory confirmed positive case to be considered as his contact. Number three, if you are working in a hospital setup or any nursing home, or even if you have a patient of respiratory illness at your home, which we called as severe acute respiratory illness, and his symptoms are increasing and you are also facing the same kind, you are also observing in yourself the same kind of symptoms, then this is your third risk factor. So if you are symptomatic and any of these risk factors are associated with you, you need to get yourself tested. So first symptom which to develop and confuse everyone is fever. So once you have a fever, you need to first of all self-isolate yourself in your home for 5 days. In this time, you can have a consultation with doctor. Don't judge yourself on your own. Have a consultation with doctor, and he will suggest you to stay at home for 5 days. Give you a basic medication of especially paracetamol or vitamin B complex or vitamin C, and ask you to monitor the symptoms. If your symptoms are decreasing day by day and they are almost nil on the day 5, and you don't have any risk factor associated with, which I have stated before, then almost it is 99% that you don't have a COVID infection. There are least chances of you being infected by COVID, because remember that symptoms are developed around 5th day to 7th day. So if the symptoms are not there, there are least chances of you being infected with COVID. Now, if the symptoms are increasing, then you consult the doctor. The symptoms increasing means the cough is increasing, fever, shortness of breath, diarrhea, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, or you're feeling generalized weakness, then these symptoms should alarm you and you should consult a doctor. Don't try to treat yourself at home. Remember, there is deficiency of beds in hospital, but there is no deficiency in video consultation or OPD consultation. Don't take risk. Have a OPD consultation and get yourself checked by the doctor, and he will decide further. So now there are two types of testing available in market. One is RT-PCR, which we usually do by taking 2 swabs. One is nasopharyngeal, which will be taken through your nose, and oropharyngeal, that will be taken from your mouth. These 2 swabs we do RT-PCR. That is considered to be as a confirmatory test for COVID infection, and this test has to be done only after 5th day or to 7th day, 5th to 7th day, because the virus concentration in the patient's body before 5th day is not sufficient to detect the virus, and there are chances of false negative reports which can give a false satisfaction to the patient, and hence he can stay infected and transmit the infection from himself to the other family members or other people he comes in contact. So it is very dangerous. The test has to be done only after 5th day of the developing of symptoms. The second test which is available in the market is the antibody test, which is usually called as blood test. We detect the IgG and IgM antibodies in this, which are developed in the patient's body only after 7th day of infection. 7th day of symptom, afterwards we develop IgM. Then after 14 days of the infection, we develop IgG. So doing this test before 7th day is of no use, because antibody is not developed, hence it will not be detected. So once if you are deciding to do an antibody test, it has to be done only after minimum 7th day to 10th day. Preferably it will be done after 10th day for screening. It is not a diagnostic test. It is only done for screening to know whether the patient has been exposed to the virus or not. So if you want a confirmatory test, only RT-PCR, that too only after 5th day of symptoms. So if we consider all these things in our mind regarding COVID testing, the half of the panic of the patient and ourselves will be relieved. Hope this video is beneficial for you. Thank you so much.